So hubby and I are about ready to go check out SINFUL Subs right now. It's owned by our good friend, Chef Vic Vegas. Located over here in the southwest part of town, Tropicana and Fort Apache, right across from that Walmart. So these are not your everyday subs. These are gourmet subs. They are exquisite. So we're gonna go check it out right now, and we're gonna share with you what our food looks like. Okay, so we just got our food. Check this out. Oh my gosh. Mine is called the Skinny Chick. It is chicken and cheese and just amazing spices. It's just, I cannot wait to try this. Hubby is having, what is this called? TV dinner? What else we got here? Oh my goodness.
This is the favorite.
How many people are eating here? I thought it was just you.
Thank you very much. Just let me know.
Okay, thank you. Service is fantastic here. Oh my goodness. Anyway, back to the TV dinner. So what is this now? It is
potatoes, mashed potatoes, turkey, gravy, corn on the cob, cranberry, and this is a hot dog. This looks insane.
wow, that's crazy. It's got like potato chips on the top.
It's got French fries, macaroni and cheese, hot dog.
What?
This is good.
That's crazy.
So excited.
I know, right? And then what are these?
Funnel cake.
Funnel cake, a little sauce right there. Guys, I'm telling you, this spot over here, you have to come check it out. SINFUL Subs. There's the menu over there. I'm going to kind of zoom in over here at Fort Apache and Tropicana, owned by the amazing Chef Vic Vegas. I mean, these are things that you're not going to see at any sub shop. Starting at $6.49, so super reasonable, great service. Guys, you got to check it out. Okay, so hubby's digging in for the first time. Let's see what he thinks.
Good.
Oh my God, all right, here I go. All right, I'm gonna try funnel cake. Putting it in the sauce, and check it out. Oh my God. You're not even gonna believe how delicious this is. It's insane, it's crazy.